Ants in your pantry can totally wreck your vibe and your snacks. So here's how to kick those little guys out for good. First off, chuck anything that's already got ants crawling on it because they're basically a free ride for the whole colony. Next, grab some airtight containers for your food. Trust me, ants hate trying to get through solid plastic. Wipe down your shelves with some warm, soapy water. It gets rid of the smelly trails ants use to find their way back. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth around the edges and spots where you see ant activity. It's like natural armor that kills ants, but is safe for you and pets. Keep your trash sealed tight and take it out regularly, so you're not giving ants extra reasons to hang out. If you spot any cracks or holes near your pantry, seal those up with caulk or weather stripping because ants love sneaky entrances. Don't forget to check pet food bowls and clean up crumbs from the floor. Ants are total opportunists. Lastly, keep an eye on humidity levels. Ants dig damp spots, so using a dehumidifier or just airing out the area can make a big difference. One of the biggest mistakes with ants in the pantry is ignoring the root cause, which is usually those sneaky entry points like cracks or gaps around doors and windows. Fixing that by sealing them up with caulk stops the invasion at the source. Another common issue is not cleaning thoroughly enough. If you just wipe but don't scrub away food residue and ant trails, they'll keep coming back because they can still smell their path. The fix? Use soap and water or vinegar to completely erase their scent trails. Lastly, relying solely on sprays or quick fixes without removing infested items or storing food properly only hides the problem temporarily. Instead, get rid of the infested stuff and store everything airtight to cut off their food supply. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home repairs and projects. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work by getting in front of people who actually need your skills.